7th, surgery day. I'm on my way to meet with Dr. Çetinkaya at the hospital. Pickup's a little late. He's going to address this and address this. He has to be symmetrical, so it's going to be a major procedure. I'm very confident. My surgery starts at 2 p.m. Turkish time today.
This is the first full day after my surgery. My surgery was actually still going on at this time yesterday. The pain is not bad at all, believe it or not. There's a lot of swelling. That's what this tape is for, to help with the swelling. The anti-pain medicine creates, it doesn't really agree with my nature. It makes me very agitated when I try to sleep. And the nurses here are really good. They'll come in every hour and poke and prod and take my blood pressure. Earlier today and all through the night, they were looking at my scars every hour, just checking the circulation. The doctor said my surgery went very well. He had to do a lot of adjusting. There was things he couldn't do just because of the way it was done the first time, but I'm hoping for the best. My main thing was getting that extra soft tissue spread around or moved or something. But no, I think it went well. It's hard to believe right now. Anyways, this is the end of the first day. Tomorrow, the bandages come off, and I'll be curious to see what's under there.
Hi, this is day 2. People ask me to keep a diary, so this is post-surgery after doctor's visit and just busy now icing my face. Everything went well. I'll keep you posted.
Hi everybody, it is day 3 after my surgery. It's Monday here in Istanbul. My surgery was the evening of the 7th, and now it's the 10th. I'm feeling fine, absolutely no pain. Swelling, obviously, which they say gets better after day 5. The biggest problem I have is just jet lag, time change. I want to sleep when it's time to be awake, etc. I'm waiting to see the doctor. He's just going to check my incisions, and everything's going well. I'm curious to see the results. Hi everybody, it's been 4 weeks now since my surgery. I'm totally thrilled. I have to wear this compression harness / corset, face corset, but I'll show you how easy it comes off. Healing has been great. The eyebrows, you can barely see the scar. Amazed at the job he did there. Opened up my eyes, got rid of any wrinkles that were thinking about being there. Under eyes look good too, but a little squished just from having that harness on. My jawline is better than I thought it was gonna be. All the incisions are fabulous. This is just scab here. I hit it with Neosporin every day, just a light coat. Once the scars come off, or the scabs come off, I can put some scar cream on it. But the whole experience with Dr. Ali and his team has been great. The healing process was really easy also. You saw some of the earlier stuff, but basically now it seems like all my swelling's down. I'm just waiting on those scabs to heal up more, and I'm good to go. Anyways, I promised I would do a video. So this is 1 month after surgery. My surgery was March 7th, and today it's April 3rd.
Hi, this is Keith. It's April the 16th. It's been almost 6 weeks since my surgery. The healing's gone great. Really thrilled with the results. The swelling's been minimal. I had the CO2 laser also, and you can see that it really smoothed me out really good. I can't tell you guys, having had previous experience here in the States that did not go well, everything went great with Dr. Ali and his team. The care level was far superior to anything I got here in California. So anyways, I'm a very happy, satisfied client, and I hope this video helps. You can see the scarring is minimal. He did a brow lift, he did a temple lift, facelift, neck lift, CO2 laser, and the results I'm really happy with. Thank you.